We're going to make a little cleaner today using a cup of dish detergent. We're going to pour that into a bigger container. This is just a quick video. A cup of water. This is 2 teaspoons of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Get my spatula and give it a good stir. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pour that back into the dish bottle, the dish detergent bottle. And you can use this on pots, pans, your sinks, your countertops if you want, toilets. Like I said, sinks, if you want to use it in your shower. This is really good to get the brown spots off your pots. Alright, I think this has got the salt and the baking soda good. See the suds? I've got a funnel, now I'm going to pour this in. It's nice and bubbly. It smells really good too. Just extra cleaning power to your dish detergent. Especially with the baking soda. The salt is the extra little cleansing power, scrubbing power. So you don't have to scrub. Look at all the bubbles. And there you have it. Your own bottle of dish detergent added. And now you can clean sinks. I'm going to add this. It's kind of stained up from salsa and everything. Give it a few minutes and then I'll clean it. Like, subscribe. I'll have more tips coming up. See you on the flip side. Laters.